everyone! We are going to learn how to make a liquid rainbow. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure we have all our supplies that we need. So let's see, we need corn syrup, dish soap, olive oil, rubbing alcohol, half a cup of water, food coloring, three glasses, and one mason jar. So as we go through and read each step, I'm going to do each step with you. Making a liquid rainbow. Pour half a cup of corn syrup into a mug. Stir in 1 drop each of blue and red food coloring. So we have our jar and our mug. So in our mug, we're going to do half a cup of corn syrup. I have a measuring cup. That's half a cup. So you can make sure we get the exact amount. Okay, we have our corn syrup in our jar. And now we're going to do 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue. See, we got to open our red food coloring. Now let's do 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue. And now we're going to stir it together. What color do you think we're going to make? Kind of made a reddish. We're going to try and add another drop of blue because I think we're looking for the color purple. We got more of a darkish red purple color. But that's okay. We're going to set that aside. Pour the purple corn syrup into a jar. Then next, slowly pour half a cup of blue dish soap into the jar. So we're going to pour our corn syrup into our jar. Half a cup of soap. It calls for blue dish soap, but I have green, but that's okay. Just use whatever color you have. Now we have our dish soap and our corn syrup. Pour a half cup water into another mug. Stir in 2 drops of green food coloring. Because we did green dish soap and not blue dish soap, we're going to add blue drops into our water. So we added 2 drops of blue. And we have blue water. Tilt the jar very slowly. Pour the green water along the inside of the jar. Then slowly pour 1/2 cup olive oil into the jar. So we're going to tilt our mug and slowly pour in our blue water. So we added our blue water. And now we're going to slowly pour in 1/2 cup of olive oil. This is what ours looks like so far. In another mug, stir 2 drops of red food coloring into 1/2 cup rubbing alcohol. Tilt the jar and very slowly pour in the rubbing alcohol. Stand back and take a look. Do you see a rainbow? So we're going to pour rubbing alcohol, 1/2 cup, into another one of our regular cups that are sitting here. And it says 2 drops of red. Here's our red rubbing alcohol. We're going to tilt our jar and slowly pour in the red. Now, if we were to take a look, you can see the colors of the rainbow. How awesome is that? How does it work? Liquids are made up of very tiny particles. How tightly packed these particles are determining density. Dish soap floats on corn syrup because the soap is less dense. You carefully poured the water so it wouldn't mix with the soap. Water is less dense than dish soap. The water floated on top. Not all liquids can mix. The oil didn't mix with the water. Did the rubbing alcohol mix with the oil? Which one was denser? And here's our glossary. Density. How closely packed particles are in a liquid or in an object. Liquid. A wet substance that can be poured. Particle. A very small piece of something. Tilt. To tip to one side. So, my friends, what we learned from our rainbow in a jar experiment is that each liquid that we poured into the jar is less dense than one another, so it can sit on top of each other and create the different colors of a rainbow. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys later.